wanted it to do yesterday, didn't it?
Eventually. Well, it didn't actually drive down.
It didn't.
Fucking hell, what a pain in the ass that was. That's what I was worried about with New York opening. You just
Yeah.
get an injection of volume.
What a bit fucking shit.
Yeah. But I managed to still be up for the day in the end.
Yes. Well, that's the main thing.
Exactly. I was up $100, I think. Wasn't much. But we were up.
And that's all
Weird.
that matters.
Weird day. Okay. Right. Let's see what's going on today. Let's do a top down. I'm going to do a top down on NAS, gold, and EU. Right? Today. EU. So, welcome to the stream, guys. Make sure my mic is on. Music's on. Charlie and the Chocolate Factory music. Coffee brew and TikTok's on. Lovely. Right. Let's go for it. So, what's happening with gold? So, monthly doesn't give us any information whatsoever. We haven't had much of a bottom wick with it. Is it NFP today? I believe it is. Why doesn't it say NFP on there? Okay, but we do have high impact news later on. But we'll be done because it's Friday and I want to get done early. So, monthly, not much of a top wick and not much of a bottom wick. Okay, so we can get either one. And it's, you know, it's the start of the month. There's still 27 days left. Weekly, then filled the range for us. So we filled the range. We don't know what this weekly is going to do. This is the issue we've got. We've filled the range and we've got no direction. And I think this is why it's been a bit difficult this week, Dan, because the weekly's actually filled its range. So it's been consolidating a bit. Now, if we get a weekly close above there tonight, fantastic. Next week, fairly straightforward. Bottom wick, we take buys up. Okay. Yeah. Now, obviously, we want price to fucking come back down into the lower ranges, but this is gold we're on, and you know it's going to keep getting more valuable until XRP takes over. Hint, 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 hint. Anyway, so now what daily range are we in? So we worked the weekly range out, which is about there, but what daily range are we in? Well, that's the daily range we're in. Okay, now this confirms this bullish daily. If you remember from yesterday, we had a range here and we didn't know whether we'd close below or respecting. Now that we've closed bullish on this daily, that confirmed that actually we closed respecting this level. Okay, so what range are we in now? Well, we're in this small range, but where should we be going? Well, we should be coming up to fill the top of the range now. Because gold is an absolute sneaky bitch. She has opened up, give us that bottom wick, what we would want, and then flipped. She's already done the move for today, in my eyes, which is so sly. Okay? Because this is the range you'd be targeting. So what you would want to see really today, right? This is what I would have wanted to wake up to. The way that daily closed like that. We wanted to wake up to that. Yeah. Bottom wick. Create a bottom wick. So if you think if we woke up with a daily like that, what are we thinking? Well, we're thinking, well, we're tapping previous support. You've had 2 candles close. 3 candles struggle to break below. There's only one place to go now. And that's to flip, to come up to fill the rest of the range. But we would be taking buys in ranges. As this daily flips, we'd identify ranges. Or you could just have a buy stop off the daily. And as you break back above them on lower time frames, you'd be in and expect the daily to flip. But the issue we've got now is we've already done the move. So that makes it really difficult in regards to the daily. So we'd have to look at lower time frames. But if you think about the daily, we've done this flip. And yes, it's got all day and it can still move up and down, right? But where's it going to move now because we've tapped this zone? So are we just going to do this for the rest of the day? and then close respecting or break out. We potentially could do that. Yeah. So if we're going to do that, that could really catch us out because we're just going to be consolidating today. So the daily range is a bit of a nightmare now. We haven't fully tapped the range as such, right? But this candle has sort of killed the opportunities to get in to the upside. Because currently anything can happen with this 6 hour. 4 hour close bullish. We haven't had much of a bottom wick, but you opened up and pushed up first. You maybe could have took the 4 if you had a steep bottom wick first and then a flip to the upside, but it's pushed up first. So how do you get in on that? What else have we got? The 3 broke out to the upside, but have we filled the range? This is the question. Have we filled the range? Where can the 3 go? Not much of a bottom wick on this 3. 2 broke out again. So the previous 2 actually closed respecting, and then this 2's broke out to the upside. Hasn't filled the range. Could we get, if I can get a steeper bottom wick, but everything's a lot more less probable. If I can get maybe a, if I can get a bottom wick tapping this level, can maybe get buy stops above, but it doesn't mean we're going to come back and get activated. What's the one on them? One's closed doji. One's closed respecting a minor support level, which is here. We've already done a steep bottom. Wait, I couldn't even get on the sell stuff. You know, this is awful. The 30 looks nice to come back down, but you've already done the wick, so you've sort of missed the move on that. You could have potentially took this 30, fake out, top wick, sell stop underneath. 30. It would have been nice. No, I can't do now. 15. Where's the 15-minute range here? So that to me is a 15-minute range. Okay. Where is the next 15-minute range? The next 15-minute range is this here. Could we see the 15 come down to this? Yeah, we could potentially see that. But the 2 hasn't closed bearish yet. But the 2 did close respecting this. And the 3 broke out. So do you really want to be taking sells? But the 3 broke out. The 4 hasn't closed yet. This could easily carry on to the upside. And the 6 as well. Your big pushing candle. An hour and a half left to the 6. My God. What I would prefer is if the 15 can close back above here, might take a swoop entry to come up if I can get a steep bottom wick. So if this 15 closes like this, then 15 close back in. If I can get a bottom wick, we can maybe have a buy stop above to come back up. There's no top wick on this 15. But the 30 broke out to the downside. So well, this is the 15 and the 30. So if the 30 closes bullish like this, we'll have a swoop entry literally in, stops, it'll just be the low. If we break the low, we're just wrong. Or we could have, because your target's only this. That's my only target, really. I'm not really interested in taking buys above there, unless the daily or the weekly closes above. fair value gaps as well to come back down. 1 hour's close respected. 30 minutes left. I'm more inclined with the sells here. We're having to use lower time frames, so the 1's close respecting. The 30 had a fake out. So remember we spoke about this yesterday. There's your fake out back in. But if we close bullish here on the 30, we've got to be careful. Then the 1's close respecting, the 2 is close respecting also, and there's an hour and a half left of that too. The 3 is broke out, but hasn't tapped previous support. Or has it? Actually, it might have tapped previous support. 4. What are you doing, God? This is risky.
Awful, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean, if the 30 closes bullish, why didn't it carry on driving? That would be a sign it might be coming back up. But I can see it's pushing down, so depending on how this 15 closes, if this 15 closes respecting this level, I think I'm going to take a sell, and stops would just be the high. But your target's only small again though, Dan, this is the issue we've got. This would have to be a take partial move to break even, and you can easily just tap this to then come back up. But I'm hoping we come straight through and get all this fair value gap, maybe. So depending on how this 15 closes, or there's a 5 close rejection. Let's see if this 5 can come up. We might have a sell on this, guys, believe it or not. But I sort of need this 15 to close bullish, ideally respecting this level. This 15 might flip and fill the rest of the range here. Right.
Morning.
Good morning,
Good
John.
morning.
We could potentially take the 15
right?
and sell underneath. Yeah, market's a bit. We've just done a top down of gold. We might have a trade on this 15, depending on how this 15 closes. Risky trade though, they're all risky at the moment. If we stay below this level on the 15, I think I'd be interested in a sell. And the stops would just be the high of this 15. Swoop entry. Got this though. The risk for me would be low, about $100, but is it worth it? That's what we've got to say. $100, yeah, I think we might squeeze it 2 to 1 and that works out. What's this 30 gonna do? So this is a 30-minute range here for me. So if the 30 closes small bullish below here, we technically had a fake out, then an S play. But if we close back in, it means the next 30 could do that. But what are we rejecting off here? We've never oh, what's this here? Oh, actually, we have tapped this, but then we've only come back up to this level. Could we maybe have a win back sell from here? Yeah, so I think I'm gonna be getting off this next 15. Depending on how this 15. Ideally, we want to push up with the new 15. We get a sell stop underneath the 15. So if we push up first, then a sell stop underneath the 15 to come down. That would be the 30 closing nest play. Yeah, stop for me. You've got 2 options for stops. You could have stops above here, right? Or you could have stops just above that 30. I'm not sure you'd need to break that high before coming down. I think you would come straight down. So get it ready, guys. You have got a potential wing back here as well, but I don't. We have stops. Risky though, guys. All risky today because the way price is pushed. Okay. Jesus. Okay, stand by. 15's about to close. So my stop would be round 4228. Around here. 4227 even. 4227.
$4227, you say?
Yeah.
There's no top wick on that 15 as well, though.
Yeah, up there. But this the thing with stops. I think, though, Dan, we need to come down to tap at least this before we can come back up. Because when we come back up, we're just going to complete the range. That's what I think. So it's a case of can we grab the movement to the downside? I'm only risking $100 though, guys. Like, we're going to have a nest split now. We're not. We're going to be bearish on the 30. So let's see if we can get it. So basically, we would be going off the 30. Yeah. Can we get a little top wick here? The 15's flipped here. What are you doing? Don't go without us. Come on. Do not go without us. Push back up.
Where was your take profit? Because I sort of accidentally placed it and not with him.
I give up. I give up.
Oh, John.
Take partial move to break even is 4220. That's your take partial.
4220.
Yeah, you can easily reject from there and come back. Basically, I've just found that advantage point, and it's this. But I need a. Oh, look at this 5 here. Oh my god. Okay, guys, I'm going to be getting. This 5's got no bottom weight. Can we come up? This 5 can come up to here. I'm going to just enter. And if the 5 closes above, I'll look to get out. Come on, don't flip for us. Oh my god. Come on. Oh, guys, this 5's going to flip and drive.
Yeah, we do.
I'm just saying, because I would prefer. Oh, you've got loads of regions to come and fill this area. Come on, 5, don't go without us. Please don't go. Oh, it's gone. Right, I'm off. I'm done for the weekend. No, I'm only joking. We've missed this move, guys. I couldn't get in on it. You're likely going to pop down and tap 4220. It's going to take our advantage point away. I'm just thinking.
Well done, John.
Yeah, thanks, mate.
Yeah. I'm going to start calling you Andrew Hankin. That's what I used to do.
But you never used to speak.
I never used to speak. He'd just hide in the shadows and take your trade without you getting in. And
you'd just hear the of a trade being put on, and they'd be like, "Was that Andrew?"
Good morning, Emma. Emma's on here. Yeah, so we've missed that. We've missed that, guys. No, I'm on about TikTok. Emma's on TikTok watching.
Can you say Emma's his weekend name? Isn't it Andre?
She's like my sister.
Good morning.
For the mistake. Is that Andre? Is he here?
Yeah.
Hello, Andre.
Hello.
How are you, young man?
Robots? Me and my bot has been having some fun.
Me and my bot. It's funny because I call my bum my bot. And if you put that, if you put that phrase, if you say that phrase again, it sounds a bit, you know, just being me and my bot being having some fun. Oh yeah, well, there you go.
There's so many different reputations, Pete.
I know. I'm thinking maybe a potential wing back buy, believe it or not, now from if we look at the 15s, so the 15 can come and tap this level and reject. But what we've got to see is if we're wrong and when price drives down, does it reject from here still? And if it does, then probability comes up where we can get the trade on. Already took 2 NAS. Nice one. I like a bit of NAS as well. We're going to do a top down on NAS now. So yeah, we've got an air.
It had so much potential yesterday.
See, I'm looking at this here. So if we can pop down to 4217, probably look at taking wing back. But this is flipping back up now. This.
Say that, I'm still fucking in it.
Didn't get, you didn't get out.
Well, no, because I didn't hit the take partial break even point.
220?
Yeah, it didn't hit it.
It did.
Not on my screen.
812.
Yeah, it hasn't hit it on mine.
So the 30, we're there. This is the next hour to close. So if you get another. Ooh, John. Served it right, John. No, I'm gonna joke. No, it's fine, John, because if you look left, you do tend to get a bullish close. So 30 bullish close to here, and then you come through. So I think if we can come back to this, I might be interested in wing back sell. If we can tap 4226, stops would only be tight for me though, guys. I don't think I'd have stops above that 15. I think when we come up for that 15, I think that'll be the move to carry on up. So there's just no point. So let's see what this 15. Ideally, we want this 15 to tap and then close respecting. If the 15 closes above, see this 15 closes at it. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have that wing back sell on, you know. Closes above. Oh, this is the hour.
Where are your stops, John? 227.
4227.
Yeah.
The 1 hour close respecting, but the 3's broke out. But the 3's done a steep top wick and then come back down. Why did you come back down? 30 is pushing. There's 24 minutes left. This 30. This 30 can still do anything. 15. We got a nice big pushing candle.
I love it when Andre's on, because you just hear ooh every now and again. Ooh.
I like this area for a little rejection. So if we can get up to this, I think I'm going to take a sell, guys. But it is a risky trade. I'm only $100, but it's the only thing we've got to go off, really. And then we want a 15 bearish close. Sorry, a 15 close respecting this. That'll be good. So if we can pop up to this level, we do reject from here quite a lot. Now we've broke the lows and grabbed liquidity, so that's a sign where you could actually come back through now. You've had a grab on the 5 as well. We're basically betting on that the 1 hour is going to stay below this level. That's what we would be betting on. Now, as the 1 hour had a steep top wick, enough of a top wick. Sure. Are we going to come back down? Oh, we might have missed this. Oh my fucking god, are you winding me up?
That's be a good win back if this flips.
Yeah, well, I'm not in on it.
No, neither am I. You're on this though.
Yeah. 15. closes bullish here. So this 15, this is what I'm looking at, this area. This 15 comes down, nearly taps the 220, okay, then doesn't. And then the new 15 comes back up to this level at 4226, and then it comes through. And then we could potentially take a buy from 4217. Yeah, and if the 15 closes above, we'd just look to manage risk. I think that's what I'd be interested in. How long's it left? We've got 6 minutes left, so we've got 2 5-minute candles left of the 15-minute candle. So the one we're on now, I think that's the move, man. I think we've missed this. If this 5 closes bearish, we've missed it. That was it. And John, you should be fine coming down if you get up.
What, fine to get out or fine for coming down?
No, fine for coming down, but I mean, I am expecting this 15 to stay bullish. Okay, so anything could happen with this 15, really. There's 5 minutes left of it.
Yeah.
I ideally need this 5 to tap. On the next 5 pop up. Low risk though, guys, right? Low risk. Because it's difficult. Well, I'm going to do a top down on NAS as well, shortly. Is that Andre singing there?
I thought that was Andre.
Andre, you have a beautiful voice.
Beautiful voice, mate.
I had shivers up my spine. Okay, so if this 5 can close bearish, and then the new 5 pops up for us, that would be fantastic.
If I can, I'm probably just going to get out at break even since the previous trade is kind of void now, so...
But no, you still should be okay. It's all on the next 15. Let's see if we can pop up on this 5.
This could still pop down.
Yeah, it definitely can. Like, this is what I'm saying. I'm expecting it to pop down, especially with that 5 close. That's a bit more confirmation, but the new 5 might pop up now, break the highs one more time, and then flip. And that would be perfect for us, wouldn't it? 220. TP2 is difficult here because just have TP2 here.
Where's your stop loss for the second wing, Mac?
It would be
Same
4227. Yeah, look, this is it. This move here, man. Come on, 5. Come on. Oh, it heard me. 4206. 4206. Okay, I've just put a trade idea in now, but this 5 has to be the one what pops up, and then we need a close respecting or a flip. Okay, I'm only risking $100 on it. The risk to reward's pretty good, to be fair. This is your take partial area. You could probably close out there if you wanted to. So you'd be looking at something like you've got a 3 to 1. That's actually not too bad. So if you're risking $100, you're looking to make $350, which is not too bad if it plays out though. Here we go. Come on, 5. Get up there, 5.
Might put 200 on it. No, I probably won't actually.
Now, if the 15 closes above though, guys, right, then that'll be the third. No, it won't. There's still 2 15-minute candles left of the 30. Still 2 15-minute candles left of the hour. The hour's the only one what's sort of holding our own, where we're thinking, okay, we can take sells down because we closed doji here and respecting. Okay, so even if you take the doji away, you still close respecting there. So we're thinking, okay, well, we probably need to come back down, and the only next support level is 4220 left. So that's my chain of thought. What if I 4227? Oh, I love this song.
Is that the Spice Girls again?
Yeah. Emma loves the Spice Girls. Come on. We missed this, guys. One's going to close bearish. Means the 15's going to close bullish. Would I take the next 15? Would I take the next 15? That's the question. Are you watching a musical, Andre? There, he's got 15 minutes left of it. Whose mic's that?
I thought it was yours.
Oh, that's not mine.
I think it's yours. Are you playing music?
I've got music on, yeah, but it's on. It's through the computer. I think Andre's got a musical on. We love a good musical, me and Andre.
Sounds like Beyonce.
guys.
That's what it sounds like.
Okay, would I take the next 15? We'd have to pop up first. 30's about to close. What do the 30s look like? We close respecting this level. I think if we do pop down, guys, I think I would take 4217 for a wing back buy. I don't know whether
4217.
Yeah, I don't know whether I like this wing back sell now with that 15 closing. I mean, it is a rejection area, but Christmas tunes. The Christmas tune.
Of the year. Pop, 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 pop.
Dude's gonna flip his mess, you little shit bag. Okay. Okay, I would need this. The next 5 would need to be the one what taps in order for me to take it. If we're going on to the last 5 of the 15, don't know whether I would take it. Because that means if the last 5's pushing into that zone, it means the 15's going to break into that zone. So yeah, either this 5 taps it or the next 5 taps it. Then yeah. because the 30 can still flip. So ideally you want the 30 to tap it, and then the 30 to flip to come and fill the range, which we haven't filled the range yet, 4220. So this is the only data we've got to go off. The 30 has closed into the range. Yeah, this 5's breaking the laws. It looks like we've missed the movie, you guys. It's literally pips away from that there. Okay. 2 pips away. Alright, this is gone now, guys. Let's delete. Right, let's work out if we could maybe take the sell down. Can't, we've already done a steep bottom wick. I can't get in here. I can't get in, guys. I'm sorry. I can't fucking get in. If anything, I would be interested in this wing back buy, but because we're technically still above this range, if the 15 closed above here, 15 doesn't matter actually. So what about the ones? So when we close respecting here, this one can drop through the floor. I don't think I would take that either. So if the one can drop through the floor, if this one comes down and taps 4217, I'll take the buy. Or would I? I don't think I will. See, the 30's broke out and the 4's broke out. Let's have a look at the lower time frame, what it looks like on this area. Five's come down, tap, pull away. This is the area we don't like this. So this is what could happen. If we are going to do that. 15. Close doji on the 5th. What is happening here? I feel like we're going to plummet here, guys. Let's see how this 30 closes. If this 30 stays respecting this level, 4225, we might get in for the sells just straight away. Okay. So we'll wait for this 30. So you're going to do one of two things here, right? You're going to reject from here once you tap here and pull back and then drive down. Okay. This is off the lower time frames. Or you're going to drive straight down now with the 2 and the 1, where you're just going to plummet at some point here. But your 3 and your 4 has broke out to the upside, and your 3 and your 4 are clean traffic up. Well, that's your next range really, 4250, but we know this is the daily range, 4233. So we've got a bit of contradiction. The 4 is clean traffic up to 4233. The 3 is as well, right? But on the lower time frames, the 2, actually the 2 as well, but the 2 hasn't had much of a bottom wick. So could the 2, no it hasn't, the 2 is close respect to this level here. The 1 closed doji. I think if we close like this on the hour, I think I'm probably just going to get it. The sellers down. Let me look left a minute. I think we've got 2 doji candles on the hour to come down. Why didn't that hour? How long's left of the hour? 8 minutes.
The 4 could be ready to flip if we get a pushing next hour candle.
To the upside, you mean?
to the down. It's done a massive wick up before, and it's pulling right back. Short
Yeah.
this.
Oh, he's the 5 now. It's one of them where you know where price has to go. You just can't get in on it. Okay, let's see if this 15 can come and tap. I don't know whether I'd take this wing back by. I think because the 15 can drive through this range. Also, look at that 15 through. So I don't think I would take this wing back by. I don't think that's for me. Now let's have a look. Let's say the 15. If we find the 15-minute range, which is here. If the 15 closes below, what happens to price? 15 closes below, top wick, and then we drive down. These ones just drove straight through the area, so I'm not sure we're going to get that nice close. This one, 15-minute close, top wick, and then didn't drive down. So maybe the 15 doesn't quite work. What about the 30? What if we get a 30-minute close? Respecting this level. Yeah. So if we get a 30-minute, if this 30 closes respecting 4220, then I'd be interested in coming back up. Right? We've got this level, 30 close respecting. All these other 30s close below when they drive. Yeah. You close respecting here, and then you came back up. And all the others drove through. So really, this 30 should drive down if you're on this. What the hell? Andre, can you just mute yourself, please, mate?
Huh.
Andre! Andre! Andre!
Andre?
Okay.
Hello?
Alright, mate. You couldn't mute yourself, could you, please? Sorry, mate.
Yeah, sorry, mate.
I'm listening to the Christmas songs and that.
Having a party?
Yeah. Oh, did you guys get in on that trade?
No, I missed
No, we
it.
didn't.
No.
John did.
Oh, John
Yeah,
did.
John did, and then closed at break even.
Oh, John!
John.
Why, John? It was lovely. No,
Because I was getting it lined up, but then my daughter threw up, so
oh,
Oh,
fucking
sure.
hell.
No.
sorry.
Yeah,
All right.
we've all been there. Yeah, so if this 30 can stay respecting this zone, the only thing I've got to go off, when the 30 closes respecting, you come back up to this level. So that would be our vantage point. But we're hoping that it could be maybe this for the 4 to flip back up. But I'm just not too sure. I think we need to come down here. And I would prefer the sellers to come and get all these fair value gaps. But how do we get in? Now, if the 30 does close respect, and what we could do, this wing back sell now becomes valid from here. Yeah. So what we're expecting is price to reject, tap, and then drive down. So I would take a wing back sell from there. Depending on when they get this wing back by from here, because if you pop down with this 30, and if the 30 closes below, we just get out. But if the 30 taps and pulls back and respects, then you could ride it up to 4225. There's only 3 minutes left of this 30. So if this 30, here we go, this is what I'm going to do. If this 30 closes like this, right? And the next 30 opens up and pops down first, then I'll take the wing back by. Because I'm expecting a flip on this 30 to come up. Okay? That's what I'll look to do. Yes, I like that. I like that, so I do. Delete. Delete.
Where's the swing back buy from? 4217.
4217 I'm looking at, yeah, but the 30 has to close respecting. 4217.8. And the 30 has to pop down first, right? If it doesn't pop down first and give us a top weight cam, that's not for me. These are all risky trades. Where would my stops be here? Stops are difficult here, guys. You might as well have stops dead tight. What's this? 30. You've got little levels here, but that's after you've drove through. I think stops for me will be below this level here. And you've got a wick to this area, but that, we're just seeing if we can get this. So stops would be 4216. Maybe 421594. 4219. TP1 would be the 42. To be honest, that would probably be full TP. Could we do? See, full TP for me really would be 4225. Tell you what we do, we'll go 4225 flat. TP2 could be the 4233. 233 2. Okay, 30 no bottom wick as well. Oh, this is perfect. Come on, no, don't come up, man. Okay, wait there, no bottom wick. Was expecting. We did close respecting, and it's no bottom wick, so we are expecting a bullish candle. So maybe if this 30 does pop, the only thing I'm cautious of, right, if you look left, 2 times, there's only 3 times, one here, close respecting, one here, and one right next to it as well, here, right? 2 reject and pull back, and 1 drives through, doesn't stop. I've just realised here, guys, we're going to have stops below this level. My bad. So that would have to be my stops. So yeah, I think I still would take this. You're either going to smash through stops, or you're going to reject from that level. Okay. Three. Yeah. Back by. Happy with that? That's what I've got. What was that? Fucking. I shit myself.
That was me.
Oh, was that you? Okay. Let's see if this 30, because the 30's got no bottom wick, I'm happy to, even though we've done the pullback. So what tends to happen when you have no bottom wick? Well, you tend to close the opposite. Okay, you tend to close the opposite, just tend, remember, right? So if we can, there's still 30 minutes, it's still 26 minutes, so still enough time to pop down, and then we've got a better chance of us closing the opposite, so we could go risk-free. Okay, so what we don't want though is price to pop up to this. We don't want price to pop up to this yet, because we've got a potential wing back sell from here. Now that we've closed respecting this level, okay, tap and then reject to the downside. This would then become cancellation. This would be a cancellation. Now our get out of this is if the 30 closes below this level. But I'll be honest with you guys, if we're wrong, we're going to get this on the 30 and you're just going to drive through straight through. You're going to get smash stops. Yeah. Can we get a poppage of down? Poppage of down. Oh, come on. What do we want to see? 15 closed, lovely bearish. Can we get a pop down and then back into the area? So the 15s don't really close below either. You tend to just pop, come back in. And you've got no bottom wick, so we really need this 15 to be the one to be perfect. If this 15 can tap and then flip back bullish. See, what is a perfect wing back build up, right? Is see how we had a pushing candle. One pushing candle off the 15. Nice one big pushing candle. Right? So that's a sign that, okay, pushing candle. You ideally want that pushing candle to be the one what taps. And then you're going to get retract, right? But, so we had a nice pushing candle. Then we had no bottom wick on this candle. Now, if you ever see this, right, and you've got to be there at the chart to get this, but if you get a candle with no bottom wick and then the new candle opens up and pushes down first with no top wick, what are you expecting that candle to do? Flip to create a top wick. So, now, if you look at previous data, when have you ever seen a candle with no top and bottom wick with the next one? It's very, very rare. So this one had a bottom wick and then he had no top wick. But what I'm on about is, when have you ever seen price push down where you've had one candle close bearish with a top wick, and then the new candle is carried on with no top wick? When have you ever seen that? It's quite rare. It's quite rare. So when a candle does push down and you've got no bottom wick on the previous candle and you've got no top wick on this candle, you'll find that price will have to come back to that area. And when you get that where both have got no top and bottom wick, price will come back pretty quickly. Probably the next candle. It'll pop back, tap it, and then go. Okay. So it's a good sign where if you've got a wing back buy and you push down, okay, stand by guys, I might be in. If you've got a wing back buy and you tap, you know you need a top wick, so it's another reason to get in. Okay, stand by guys. I'm going to be getting in on this. One more little... Oh! Fucking hell. Okay, I am in for a buy. Now, I'm in for a buy. Stops at 4214. Low risk, guys, right? I'm in for a buy on this. Long. So what we're expecting now, if price comes back into this area, we'll go risk free. My target is only 422233. My take partial, depending on what we like, we could take partial when we go back into this area, or at 4224, because these are wing back sell there. Okay, but that's all I've got. We're either going to fly through stops, powerful fly through stops because the 30, or we're going to reject from here and close back above. That's what we're after. We're after this 30 closing bullish. That's it. 50-50 trade technically. So yeah, that's all I've got. Now the thing with this, I'd definitely be taking partial at 4224. Probably take a lot out because that's an area you can reject from. Okay, we might just get this up, back up, tap, and then we get that big drop. So up, tap, and then we get that big drop. Okay, so that's what I'm interested in really. I'm not going to touch this until the 30 closes. If the 30 closes below this level, I'm looking to get out. Okay, the 30 closes bullish, fantastic. We're holding. We're looking to come back to 4225. You should be in profit now. I'm up $50. But it's all on this 30. Okay, all on this 30. Trying to think, this wing back sell as well, because this is now valid now. So wing back sell, stops for this wing back sell. You're only going off one area, right? You're going off one area, and when you tap, you tend to just reject from there. So stops could be really tight, and if we're wrong, it just means we're coming up. We're going to flip on the 4. That's all it means. So stops for me could be 4227 again. At 4227 area for a wing back sell. Take partial move to break even would be the bottom of this zone of 4220, but you're expecting to drive straight through to 4206. Okay. So that's what I've got on gold at the moment, guys. We'll keep this on. We'll do a top down on NAS. Let me just get this wing back sell on the trade ideas.
Where should take partial break even?
My risk free is when the 30 closes. Actually, you take partial move to break even, could be here. Okay, 4224. But I'd take a lot out because I've got a wing back sell there. So you might even want to close full. I'll probably close full, to be honest with you. I've put my full TP there because there is a chance where the 4 could flip, and that's why people might see different stuff to me, and they might think, well, no, I'm expecting buys up, so I'll take it further. So you could do, but I'm expecting rejection from here. So yeah, but I mean, you could go risk free. Let's say this 30 closes doji, small bullish. Right, what you're going to get with the next 30? The next 30 is going to give you a bottom wick. So we don't want to go risk free too early, because you might get stopped on that, and then a flip. So I would maybe wait for the 30 to close bullish, and then let the next 30 do its bottom wick, and then as it flips, then just go risk free. But you take partial for me is probably up 4224. Happy with that? Weird morning though. Awful area, guys. The probability of these trades are quite. It's like 50-50, but it's the only thing we've got to go off, and then you've got to work out, well, what am I willing to risk? I'm happy to risk it. What have I got on this? I think $150 maybe. $100. Got $180 risk on that. Down a limit of 4225 to 3 TP2 for this wing back sell before 20. 0.64206.17. Modify 4227. Yeah, $100 risk on that. Come back sell. Oh, 15 minutes left to go. How's the 15 closing? 15's breaking out. The 15's... I mean, the 15 doesn't actually break out here. So, but I think I'll go off the 30. So the 15 doesn't break below this level. So ideally we wanted this 15 to close back in. Okay. But I think the 30, I'd rather go off the 30 because we might get that fake out of the 15 now. Let's see. Let's see. Tattles.
Do you see? Do you see?
See what you see, see? It's all on the 30, guys. We need this 30 to close bullish. While we're waiting, we've got 15 minutes. Should we do a top down on NAS?
Yeah, why not?
Why not, Mets? Why not, Mets? Let's do a top down on NAS 100 Mets. So, monthly. Monthly closed bearish, believe it or not. Okay, we haven't had a wick fill yet. We're now coming up for a top wick. So this monthly can still do anything. Okay, we've still got 27 days left of it. But what's a good sign is we did close bearish, which is nice. I don't think we haven't had a bearish candle for the last 1, 2, 3,
4 years.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8 months ago was the last bearish candle. Okay, so at least we've had one now, and now if you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then bearish. So it's a good sign because we want price to come back down, right? Now the weekly closed heavily bullish, so the weekly should be pushing this range of, that's the range of the weekly, that, and then here, that's the weekly range. Now it's similar to gold where we've sort of filled the range. It's a nightmare when we fill the range, right? Because you haven't got nothing to play with on the higher time frame. You imagine if you've just broke into a new range on the monthly, the weekly, 4 hour, 2 hour, 1 hour, everything's perfect. You've got loads of room to go. That's perfect case scenario. But the weekly, we still got a little bit room to go. We can go from here to here on the weekly. There's only 1 day left, so if we're going to do that, we've got to do it today. So then the daily closed bearish. Now this is where on the weekly you're looking at it and you're going, okay, well the weekly is probably going to push to fill the rest of the range. But if you look at the daily, what happened on the daily? Well, you've got a clear range here. You've got 2 areas where you rejected from around these levels. Then you closed doji, and you've got no bottom wick on this daily. So what's going to happen to this daily? Is this daily going to fly up to tap to fill the range of the weekly and close bullish? Or are we going to flip and the weekly's not going to fill the range this week, but it might do it the following week? I don't know. On the daily doesn't look pretty nice. The daily could easily flip to the downside. You could technically get a sell stop underneath the daily. If it does flip, it's highly likely you're going to come down to at least 2539, and the reason being 2539 is because that is you get a daily bearish close, and then the next daily pops down to here. So I would imagine if you're going to flip, it's highly probable you're going to tap 2, 5, 3, 9, 2. Okay. Or you could wait for closures back below 251, 615. So what's going on with the 6? 6. 6. I don't really like the 6. I don't know why I keep looking at it. You've got a 6 hour range there, 2560. You've got an area here, 25714. Not very, I don't really like these ranges. Got a 4 with no bottom. Oh, look at this here, look. Perfect example, right? What did I just say about candles with no top and bottom wick? There's a little one there, but not much. So for me, price at some point is going to have to come back to that area. So if price has to come back to that area, let's say this is our zone here. Could this 4, there's 40 minutes left of this 4, could a huge liquidity. What do we here? What do I do? We broke out in the 3. 2, we broke out and haven't. No, we did tap the range. We haven't closed bearish. If we can get a 1 hour bearish close again, if this 1 hour can close bearish for me, I'd be interested in sells down, because we need to tap this support at least, right? But there's a reason to come back down. And also the daily's got no bottom weight. So I think if you're going to drive up, you're probably going to have to tap at least this level here if you want to drive up. So if we get a 1 hour bearish close here and I get a top wick, I'd be interested in top wick coming down. Yeah, that's something we could look at. Can I maybe take buys above? Yeah. This will be the 2 closing as well. So if the 2 closes bearish, the next 2 could really drive down. Yeah, I think that's something we could look at there. And again, stops would be pretty tight here. You wouldn't expect breaking the high, so your stops would just be there. So if we get 1 hour bearish close like this and I get a top wick, probably going to get a sell stop underneath, guys. Take partial move to break in would be 25648, but you should pop to that, I would imagine. And if you start getting closures back below these levels, then fantastic. But look how fast of a range this is. So what I'm looking at is, look at that candle, straight through. 1. This one comes all the way through before rejecting. This one doesn't come all the way but comes to here. So we'd have to mark that up as a rejection area, but then you come through, straight back down. You've got another one there, but this is coming from the upside. Are we looking on gold? We're in profit, okay. So we could maybe have a risk-free area here. Yeah, like that. Yeah, we might have a trade on that soon. Because what if you close bearish on this one? What price action is this? It's an evening star. Okay, sign of reversal. We get a top wick. And then we come back down. Yeah, nice. How's gold looking? minutes left for a close. 15 came down. Ooh, we were that much in drawdown. That was close. Let's see if the 15 closed back up. Basically, I'm expecting a bullish close because the previous 30's got no bottom wick. Guys, I'm going to go and make another cup of tea.
Yeah.
And I'll be back in a minute. Naz, we might have a trade on Naz at what, whether you want to take it or not. I mean, if this plays out Friday and you've hit your profit target, why do you need to take another trade? Do you know what I mean? To be honest, I need to stop taking too many trades on stream. I'm bloody spoiling you. Right, I'll be back in a minute. It isn't flipped yet. What are you doing, 30? There's the 30 flip. Oh, look at that 15. That 15's a lovely close if we can close like this.
Might even look for another buy if it closes like that.
take some partial if he's want to, but if the 15 closes like this, I would imagine we're going to have to pop up to this level. So if this 15 closes like this, which is the 30, and then we get a bottom wick, we can then move to risk free. It's 30 minutes means the hour. What would the hour do then? The hour is bearish. Middle of the range. Guys, I'm going to take a partial here. Take $100 out. Let me have a look at this one. So what did the one do? So the one close respecting. When have we closed respecting in the one? Only one area we've closed respecting. You come down, you tap, you pull back to that level. Yeah, I'm going to take a partial, guys. There is closing bullish. Right, I've took a partial. Took $120 out. Okay, let's see if we can get this bottom wick. Bottom wick. Once I get a bottom wick, I'll then move to risk free. But you can move, you start moving your stops a bit closer now if you want to. I'm lower risk now anyway. But yeah, I took $120 out of this trade. I have got a wing back sell on here, guys, right, which I'm only risking $100, so I'm completely risk free today now. $102 to be precise. Okay, but a lovely win for the stream. Nice. The 30's done. So what did I say about the 30, guys? What did I say about the 30? No bottom wick. So what tends to happen when you've got no bottom wick is the next candle tends to close the opposite. Okay, even if price wants to carry on, you tend to get an opposite candle when you've got no bottom wick. Okay, so just keep an eye out on it now. Future moving forward, when there's no top or bottom wick, you tend to close the opposite. Okay. You could potentially, depending on how steep you drop here, you could have another entry above 4221, above this candle, the 30, above there if you wanted to. If you do flip, once this candle flips back bullish now and gives us a top wick, I'm going to go risk free. Okay. I haven't got another entry on. You could get another entry on though if you wanted to, but I haven't got one. See what this does here. 4225. Because the reason I haven't got another entry on is because the hour. Yes, the hour's got no bottom wick, and technically this should close bullish. But if this is going to close bullish, this might close small bullish. And if we're going to close small bullish, it means we might not drive up, we might mess about. And if I get another entry on now, we're just heightening the risk on it. We don't do that, do we? Do we, Dan? We don't want to do that, do we?
No, we don't.
We don't, guys. The bloody mouse is gone dead, hasn't it? So yeah, I don't think I'm gonna get that other entry on. But yeah, we could easily flip and drive back up with the hour, but I think because we've got no bottom wick on the hour, we're going to be small bullish, and then the next hour might be the one that pops up. So I think I'd rather just wait really. But the 30 is fantastic. isn't it? So lovely, guys. Well done. Another trade for the stream. Another win for the stream. Day, 5th, 12. Back. So, going back to what I said with the no top and no bottom wick, it's great when it happens just before wingback buy or wingback sell. That's the perfect setup for a wingback buy or wingback sell. When price pushes no bottom wick and then the new candle opens up and pushes down first, taps, you know you need a top wick. So the likelihood, the probability of this candle coming back up to create that top wick is pretty high. Yeah. So I have got a wing back sell on here, guys, at 4225. So basically, if we come back up, this is what I'm expecting, right? Or what previous data has shown us what could happen. We reject from here, we tap this level. Yeah. We come back up, we tap this level, and then we drive down. So we rejected from here, we tap this level. We tapped a bit further, but that's fine. It's thereabouts. You then push back up. You reject from this level. You tap, and then can we see the whole drive down? I'm only $100 risk on this, right? So I'm up either way. Either way, what happens? Okay, now I'm going to go risk free because the 15's done its bottom wick now, and it's flipped back bullish. So now we'll go risk free. All the risks off the table now. So can this 15 just push and drive? That's all I'm after. Still 25 minutes left of it. What time do we get in on this trade? It's 2 hours behind, isn't it? So was it 10 past 8 or 10 past 9? I think it was 10 past 9, wasn't it? We got in on it.
Yeah.
So also trade.
Whoa.
It's just sent me this. And this is
What was that?
some bloke sat in bed eating biscuits. And she's like, come on, we're going shopping. It's like, we went shopping yesterday, you spent 50 quid in old Margans. Okay, I'm just going to go and turn Taylor's. Taylor's just woke up. Back in a second, guys.
No worries.
Oh, there we go. Okay, guys. I'm going to close out that trade. Out. I'm out fully on that. $220 we took. And I've got my wing back sell. What's not being activated, but I've got a wing back sell from here.
Wing back selling, eh?
Got a wing back sell from 4225. Now, here's the thing. Let's have a look what the hour would look like. Yeah, so this hour needs to tap and then stay below here. So as long as this hour can stay below 4225. How did I not get activated on that there? I've tapped it there. Did anyone get activated on that?
No.
Nice trade that, guys. Nice. Another win for the stream. 36 wins, 4 break-evens, 10 losses. Sorry, 37 wins. Can we pop up? 5 claws. 15 minutes left of the stops. So I'm just quickly getting this out. What was this? 30 pip stop. 30 pips. Stop loss. Take 220. $20. Took. TP to break even.
You risking 100 on the?
I've only got 100.
sell.
Yeah. 68 pips we've just took. But if you've had nice profit there, do you need to put it on? You know what I mean?
Yeah. Only because I'm not in profit at the moment. Because I took a sell earlier and it fucking ripped up and smashed straight through my stop loss and took another $100 because it moved so quickly.
John.
Oh, bit of slippage.
A bit of
Slip,
slippage. Okay, so
So I'm currently down 200 today.
TP on hit.
Yeah, I challenged the FTMO about that thing on Friday where it went so far behind my my stop loss because of the data issue. And they just came back and basically said, yeah, tough luck.
Yeah, they will. They don't have any plans
just
on
like-
reimbursing anybody.
Oh, there's a global outage. It's out of our hands, but you need to check your
Yeah.
risk.
It's about with Nats yesterday.
No,
No, this was last Friday.
on Friday when everything went tits up. I mean, that's went tits up yesterday as well.
Yeah. It just shifted, didn't it? Like it wasn't printing candles.
But there was only on TradingView. On MT5 it was on my MT5 it was actually fine.
Yeah. So
But yeah, so it went I think 20 pips past my stop on Friday. So it basically almost 4 times my 3.5 times my risk that I had on there. So I told them, so look, I'm fine with taking the loss at when I said it. What I think, and I understand slippage and stuff, but this is a bit extreme based on data errors that they should have caught and then kind of halted.
Yeah.
They should have frozen things,
yeah.
Um,
Well, that's it. As a company who's in charge of this stuff on their platform, that's something that they should take a little bit of
responsibility for.
Yeah. exactly.
Well, that's it.
Because people lost accounts with that,
Well, exactly. I think it's fine if they can turn around and say it's like we apologise, but these things are out of our hands. It's a global outage or whatever.
Yeah.
It's then the sort of the the last sort of paragraphs where it's just like, you need to manage your risk better.
Yeah, yeah.
It's like, hang on a second. It's like,
They come with that. You know, trading during the night with liquidity and blah blah blah.
when it's
I know all of that, and you know, I literally have my setup running during the night.
yeah,
because
it's
it works. Right?
public holidays and stuff like that, and it's just that periods of low liquidity and stuff,
Yeah.
and you're just like, well, yeah. So what are you saying? Do I have to be frightened every single day that I put trades on that something might happen?
Exactly.
That's out of our control. We can't
Yeah.
manage risk when things are affecting it out of our control.
Yeah, we're already at the mercy of Mr. Trump opening up his mouth in the middle of the night or something.
Oh my god.
That we don't need bloody data quality issues. You know, this is data quality. You know, and what are they doing to prevent this in the future?
Well,
Yeah,
this is it.
the moment they see this, what are they going to do? You know,
Nothing. By the sound. So,
Right, guys, sorry to interrupt. We might have just missed this wingback sell. The 15 popped up, wicked. Now, if this 15 stays bearish, we've missed it. Right? It literally crossed my entry on my MT4, but spread just hasn't put it in. But the 15's closed perfect. So this is the area we're going in off here. This. You know, we've had our tap there, we've pushed back up, we tapped our tape partial to break it even area off. If you haven't done that, please take partial at least 75%, because you can really reject from here, right? And then the 15's close respecting this level, that's what it does, and then it comes back down. So as long as we don't get a 15, we need this 15 to flip. Ooh, hurt me. We need this 15 to flip back up. Fives are printing bearish, so that's why I'm a bit cautious. And I'm just hoping we can come back up, break the highs again one more time, then come into the range, and then that's the move down. Okay. So yeah.
Are you going to stick a sell on as soon as it breaks the 5-minute high?
Yeah, I've got it. Yeah, I've got a sell limit there at the minute. It literally just didn't get activated. But my get out of this is if the 15 closes above this level. The 15 closes above 4224. I'll look to get out because I'm looking at this. This is the only area I'm going off. This 15 has to close respecting, which it did. It's just a case of the next 15. This 15 has to stay respecting.
The only thing I don't like about this is that, you know, I mean, I suppose it just depends on where the 2, 3, and, well, the 2 and 3 kind of close as well, but 1 hour's got a nice grab on it as well.
Yeah, there's 8 minutes left of it. Yeah. Well, if we look left, right, and we're going off this area. This is the same area I keep harping on about here, right? The one can close bullish. This is why I took partial a bit early, because I thought if the one's going to close small, the next one could just plummet. So I'd rather just take some partial and go. But
It's true, I mean, that one still grabbed and it still tanked, didn't it? So
yeah. So as long as this one stays below this level, then okay, I've just been activated. Now as long as the one stays below this level, it should still be good where you could plummet down. But guys, you got to understand with these trades, like probability wise, it's all over the place. It is all over the place, right? But the one can easily plummet down, right? But if you look at the 4, the 4's flipped back to the upside. The 4 could give a steeper top wick if it wanted to. So it can literally go, it can smash through stops, or we might be on this area where we could plummet. And if we do plummet, we should see a huge drop. Look at this 1 hour candle, this one.
420617, is that where you take profit?
I've been activated on that. We take partial move to break even is 4220. Okay. But the 1 hour, the next 1 hour could absolutely plummet through the floor if we're right. Okay, if we're right. We might not be. Let's see what I mean. So I'm out with this first trade, guys. I've closed full. Okay. $220 we took from that. So that's gone. Done. Right. If you're still in, good luck. If you're still in it, at least take 75% out, because this is an area you can reject from. Yes, we could come through as well, but so we're now in on this. I've got tight stops. I'm only $100. To be honest, $102 to be precise. That's my risk on this. I'm expecting a flip of the 15 to stay bearish, and then that would be the hour pulling back a tad, and then I'm expecting the next hour top wick and then a drive to the downside. But as long as the hour stays below 4225, I'm happy to keep this on. If the hour closes above that, I'll look to manage risk and get out. Okay, which we've got 6 minutes left of it. So yeah, that's it. We're in. Hey, this is a weird stream. We nearly had sells down, and then we had buys up, and now we're looking to sell them back down.
I got nothing on the buy up there.
Oh, didn't you?
Yeah, low risk. Very low risk.
But-
That is too low.
But you've got your plan, haven't you? You've got your plan. We know
Yes,
your
indeed.
plan, don't we? And that's another win. So I mean,
Yes.
that was perfect. This wing back buy was beautiful. Beautiful. We ideally want this 15 to flip, guys. That's what we're after now. Can this 15 flip? If the 15 flips bearish, and then the next 15 comes up, gives us our top wick again, even break the high, and then flip. Once we get that bottom wick, we'll then go risk-free on this trade. Yeah. Properties, we are in. What are we up? We took 68 pips. Tell you what, it's becoming a good month. Oh shit! We didn't look at NAS, did we, in the 1 hour? Okay, we've got 4 minutes left of that. Oh, it's not even the 1 hour yet. Yeah. So I am interested in NAS, but I don't know whether, because we're in this second trade, I'll put another trade on. I want to be done early today. Got loads to do. We'll have a look at what the hour does. Depending on how the new hour candle moves for us, right? Whether we get in on NAS as well. Okay, I am up. I'm only $100 risk and I'm up $84 already with just that movement.
Really, I'm fucking only up 30.
Oh yeah. Well, was your entry bang on
I'm
mark?
up. Yeah, it should have been, but maybe it wasn't.
The hour, we're not. I don't think we're going to drive down yet. The new hour is going to give us a top wick, so don't think that's it. We're out the woods now. When the new hour this hour closes, the new hour will probably give us a top wick. Okay, it might even break the high, right? And then when we flip and get a bottom wick, we'll then go risk free because I'm expecting the next hour to start moving down like so. Okay. People think I'm mad in the trade IDs, won't they? Hang on a minute, he's just put a buy limit on. And now he's put a sell
Oh,
limit
then
on.
he's just put a sell on.
Yeah.
What's he doing?
But this is the lovely 15 if we can stay like this.
Tell you what, if I can claw myself to break even this week, I'll be happy. I will at least take that.
Don't even think like that, John. Just every day, just come on and just grab a trade. Don't look at your balance. Just grab a trade and then move to the next day. We'll grab another trade. We'll grab another trade. I don't know what I made from it, but we'll grab another trade. And you'll find that you'll just start hitting targets. This is what Ronaldo says it perfectly. So he never looked at a record and went, right, I need to beat that record. He just used to play the best he could and just automatically would smash records.
Yes.
Right.
Maybe bring you juice and these here as well.
This next hour is going to be nice. If we're right, this next hour is going to be
Yeah, I
lovely.
would have called.
like a jumper. I don't know if he got like this.
You need to get some fat on you, Andre, and then you won't need a jumper.
Pisses me off how fucking
Beautiful he is.
yeah. My head in.
Sorry, what are you saying, mate?
I'm saying you just need to get a bit of fat on you so you don't need a jumper. That's how beautiful you
Well, I will say that that picture was now last year March. I mean, I haven't changed a lot since then, but I definitely. That was just before my youngest was born, so I had a lot more time for things like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're still beautiful, Andre. Sure.
Oh, thank you.
I would.
I would.
Yeah.
Again.
So we had a lovely day yesterday in the hospital with this little one.
How they doing?
Yeah, they say she's got a urine tracking infection.
Oh,
whatever,
that's
so
up
she's
to
on
you, that's not
antibiotics. But you know, one of the side effects of these antibiotics is that they fill up. So she
Oh,
throws her like every time, 45 minutes to an hour after we give it to her, she pukes.
Nice 15-minute grab on the gold. Popped up first.
oh, mine was a bit delayed there.
Oh, that was a quick push up. I got activated finally.
I wonder if this is the time for a sell on NAS. Has it done what it's needed to do, Dan?
I hope so.
Got a 3-hour grab on the gold as well. Be very tempted to put a sell on that as well. Because as Pete has pointed out, it can just fucking fly down from this point. Do that.
Okay, who's our top wick here? Can we flip now? Tell you what, guys, I am interested in. There's no top wick, no bottom wick on this 5 either.
Can't stop.
Yeah, I'm thinking if this hour flips now. The hour's still respecting this zone. Like that, you know. Do. Yeah, if the 15 does flip, where would you go risk free? You could potentially get it on. I'm not going to get it on. But yeah, this looks good. You've got two 15-minute candles with no bottom wick. Okay, even if this closes bullish, what tends to happen, Dan, and I always harp on about it, could we see the fake out? So you close above this minor and then a fake out back in. That's what I'd probably do. If this 15 does close bullish, that tells me, okay, we're managing risk at that point anyway, but we should still come back down for a bottom wick here. And if the 15 does do that, I'll go risk free, take some partial. Okay, and if we do drive down, fantastic. If we don't, we come back up, then obviously we're gone. But if this 15 now flips and gives us a bottom wick, I'll then go risk free, because this is the top wick of the hour. Okay, cherubs.
Cherubs.
Cherubs. Yeah, honestly, this Christmas, man, I've had to buy a new TV, a new Hoover, and a new air fryer. All this month. And Winston, Mr. Winston, he's got he always gets infections in his eye around Christmas.
No.
Don't orange.
Because he spends all day looking at you, that's why.
Or my bank balance when I'm having to pay the vet bills. Like,
Mate, at least you've got a bank balance to pay vet
how
bills.
dare you, John? How dare you? How dare you?
At least you've got one.
Just kidding.
It's a small balance.
No, I don't even have that, mate.
Are you in negative?
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
I've been in my overdraft for like the last month.
Oh,
Yeah, you're not-
that fucking sucks. Used to live in mine.
Mate, I am living in mine.
Thing is though, don't think it's just you. The full country's like that. I've been seeing this the stat. Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry.
Come on, 15. Do your thing.
Just needed to rip to the downside. That's what I need.
What? Pardon me. Jesus.
Oh, this is prime fake out though. Even though we're breaking above, but it's prime fake out.
Oh, that's a shame. You know the guy, I mean, I don't know if you have, but have any of you seen the original Mortal Kombat film?
Yeah.
You know the guy who played Shang Tsung?
Yeah.
Yeah, he died.
Oh.
Yeah, he's just passed away today.
I used to love that movie, you know.
That film was class.
Oh,
It was the
What do you mean used to love it? I still do fucking love it, mate.
Damn right. Your soul.
Yes, so.
Yeah, that reptile fight scene was my favourite.
How they brought Goro to life in the 90s was just incredible. Just brilliant.
Johnny Cage. What do you think of the new ones?
Yeah, it's all right. They're not bad. They're better than Mortal Kombat 2.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I think it's a very good reimagining of it. Like
Yeah.
it was a good attempt. Do you know what I mean? I don't know if it. I'm not sure if it tops the original. but-
Nah. But I liked Kano in the new ones.
Yeah.
And what's his face? It's gonna be Johnny Cage in the second one.
Yeah. Carl
Urban. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean the remake was pretty good. I didn't think it was a bad film by any stretch. I'd probably put it around. I don't know. I think I'd put it probably around a 7 out of 10. I'd say.
Yeah.
I think the original I'd probably put marginally higher. I'd be more inclined to say 8 out of
Yeah.
I think the problem with both those films is the original, ironically, I think, was that it wasn't cheesy, but it had that tang of cheesiness which made it more gamey. Do you know what I mean? Like
Yeah.
it was closer to the games because it had that tinge of fucking cheesiness, whereas the remake, it was too, I don't know, it was too original. I thought it was too serious.
Yeah. That was the one with Shao Kahn.
Yeah, it's still good. I just don't think it quite hit the spot.
No,
Was
definitely
that
not.
one with Raul Julia as Bison?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh no,
I
no,
didn't know she was in there as well, right?
I think
That's
it just
Street Fighter.
hit shy of the spot would probably be where I'd say. It was still good though. Just enjoyed it. I want to watch it again soon at some point.
Andre. Raul Julia was Bison in Street Fighter. Not more.
Gotcha. Yes. Sorry, getting them confused.
No, that was a good film as well.
Yeah.
Damn it.
Yeah. Getting my fighting games confused. How? Jeez, I'm out of the loop here.
Terrible. Schoolboy era, that.
Yeah.
Oh, Raul Julia was mint. That was his last film,
Yeah,
wasn't it?
he'd been cancer with that one, wasn't he?
Yeah.
But he was way too good for that film. He was like so.
Oh,
He was so good.
Okay, the 15's got another 5 minutes left of it. Is this 15 going to flip, or is the next 15 going to come down for a fake out?
And bear in mind, we're also in the new 4 hour as well, so this could fucking piss about up the top for a bit and then just fucking fly down. I reckon that's probably what it'll do. I reckon it'll probably piss about near the top for a bit and then it'll just tank.
Well, if we look at this 4, I mean, we're coming upwards, so this is what the nightmare is, but if this 4 can close respect in this level, this is our last line of defense with a new 4. Look at that new 4. So it's all on the 15, really. Can we get a fake out on this 15? So I'm thinking managing risk now at this point, but I think the next 15 is likely going to do that. Create the bottom wick here and then flip if it is going to drive. So I'd be going risk free once I start moving back into these areas below 4224. Yeah. But yeah, we could really plummet down here though, or you know.
Or it could do what it did to us yesterday, which was fucking come for stop losses, piss about at the top, and then fly down.
Correctamundo.
Correctamundo. The 5 flip here and plummet. Nope.
What the fuck? I'm just doing a bit of admin, guys. I'm not going what the hell in the charts. There's nothing we can do on this. It is what it is, young man. This is not Mega.
Come on, 5. Keep pumping.
Oh, God.
Keep pumping. Oh.
Just keep pumping, just keep pumping, just keep pumping, pumping, pumping.
Yeah. Go on.
Can we flip?
Can you believe in a flipperoo?
Go on, John.
Whenever I hear that song, I just think of Land of the Lost when they're touching the
Under the lock.
Can you believe in a flipping dolphin?
Flipping dolphin.
I can see its fins waiting near the top.
Go on,
I
John.
really don't think I've
Go on.
heard enough.
Hit them high notes. Like, I say this every stream. There's always something on every stream where I'm allowed to say, no wonder I get no fucking views on my YouTube. It's my own daft fault. It's my own daft fault because we talk utter poo-tang. But I'm not bothered.
Remember, you can't boot people, you know.
I would never boot yous. Never. Well, we've got Paul watching on YouTube. Nice.
Hi, Paul.
Hi, Paul. Welcome, mate. There's 15. Is this 15 going to flip? 15. As long as the 15 stays respecting this. I like this for a fake out, guys. I really do like this for a fake out. Right. Just because we've closed above now. It's like, do we need to manage risk or are we still good? Because we are on the new 4. Is the new 4 gonna... No, we're not on the new 4.
We are on a new phone.
We are on a new 4, you're right. Is this 4? This 4 needs a bottom wick. It's done a top wick. Yeah, I'm
This is
more
the bit
than
where it's going to
comfortable.
rip it down.
Look at the 3. 3's closed, lovely. No bottom wick. This is lovely, guys. 2, no
Yeah,
bottom
this
wick, closed,
dolphin's ready to
respected.
go.
1. Yes, the 1's
Ready
the
to
opposite
swing
way, but we
paradise.
know we can have a bullish 1. Can we flip on this 15? Can this 15? Can we? All we need is a fake out on the 15. Okay, once I come to this level, I'll probably go risk free. Okay, probably go risk free. Don't when you need to log into something what you've had for ages, but you can't remember the password.
Yeah.
That's me right now. Come on, can we flip? Songs in my bloody head now, John.
Believe in a flipping dolphin.
Oh, here we go. Here we go. Can we flip?
Is it time to get excited?
Potentially. Potentially. What's a 5 doing? 5. Oh, lovely close. So I will be going risk free, guys, once we tap 4, 2, 2, 3. We will put this on the school community to go risk free. You could potentially take some parcels as well if you wanted to, I suppose. I mean, you're up 16 pips. But I think if this 15 is going to fake out, you shouldn't come back to that level. So gold does this a lot, right? You'll create a little support and then you'll close just above to entice loads of buyers in, and then you'll fake out with the next candle. And that's what I can see happening. Now, if we're right, guys, right? If we're right from today, you could really be in the money here, because you could be coming all the way down to 4206 with one. That's right, you heard it right. One. I'm such a fucking geek, Anna. With one hourly candle, because if we look at this hourly, straight through, one candle. We look at this candle, straight through, one candle. Look at even these ones, straight through, one candle. I mean, this one came from up here and still came down and tapped. So yes, one
4206 is where you
4206 would be my full TP. This, if we're right, this one hourly candle could flip and drive all the way down to 4206 within 1 hour. Okay, within 1 hour.
But I should have.
Have you done it again? Have you not got in on this trade, Dan?
Oh no, I mean,
Oh.
it's like not under the
Hey.
Yeah. Dan's going through his process at the moment. The last trade you were in, weren't you? The buys up?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, cool.
When it was little.
Yeah, but that's alright. We're going through our process, aren't we? We're getting our brain back right, ready. Okay, can't come on 15. Don't be messing about. New 5-minute candle.
Go on, Pete, you tell it.
Don't be messing about. The 5 closed back into the range, so can this 5 just flip for us? Yeah, this is definitely an advantage point. No top wicks on these, no bottom wicks on these 15s. We'll go back to my admin there. I wish I could play my own tunes. I'd have loads of people on the stream just to listen to my tunes, because my tunes are mint. Proper mint. Banging. Proper banging mint. Just wait to get in touch with us as to emails. I'm on 15, get us flipped. Tell you what, it's raining again today. Honestly, I feel like that's all it's done. The last 2 weeks, just rain.
I mean, to be honest, I've heard rumours that Wales is probably the worst place in the UK. to live for rain.
Don't start dissing Wales. Someone on here
For
dissing
rain.
Wales.
Not just generally. I mean, it's like Plymouth. Plymouth is probably one of the worst fucking places for rain in the UK as well.
No, it's like
Fucking always rains down here.
2, 6. Okay, guys, I'll be back in a second. Okay. are we going to hit stops here? Are we going to hit stops? Oh, guys, I don't like that 15. Why are we getting that? 6, 1, 3, 7, 2, 6. Oh, very, very close. Very, very close. Oh, guys, I don't like that. Yep. I'm out. Been stopped. Oh well, you little shitbag. You would think you would come for this bottom wick at least. We could have a sell stop underneath the 1, but why are we breaking them highs like that? Look at the 2 as well. Is this because the 4? Did the 4 fill the range? Not really. I think if anything, if I close back below here on a 15, I'll retake that. But yeah, we've got a stop loss hit there, guys. Unfortunately, we did peak. What did we peak? We peaked 12 pips. We're still in profit for the day. It was our first trade.
Ah, brutal. I got stopped out of that trade.
Yeah. If I can get a 5 close back below you, guys, I'm going to be re-entering. Yeah. Be re-entering. 945. What was it? Pips. 20 pips stop. 20 pip.
5 close back below that support line.
Yeah, 4225. I'll be re-entering. 20 pip stop loss. Minus $2.
Stop loss above the high of the 5, I assume.
You just go that high, yeah. Or you put your stops in the same place, to be honest with you. We're just seeing if it's probably the 4 just having a steeper top wick before flip. TP E46 pips. This was it. This one's a win. So let's update the stream. So we're on 11 losses now. 11 losses. Okay. It's okay. Okay. 20 pips. Are you on tonight, John?
Yeah, of course I am.
Well, I met. I'm going to keep this here in case we enter. You've got loads of reason to come back down here. I'll be on till 11. See if these 15s can close back down. 2 minutes for this 15 to close, which is the 30. 30's got no bottom wick. So if we look at the 30, as long as the 30 closes respecting this level, and then we would just need a bearish 30 close. Teasing me now. You are teasing me. What was I in there? Because I might be getting in again here off this 5. But it'd be this. But it's the same lot as what I've used here. Yeah. But and then my stop would just be the high. See how this 5 closes. Because I want this 30 to close respecting this. We need this 5 to not push too much. I can see the next 30 basically doing this. Okay, stand by guys, I might be re-entering on the 5. This 5 can give us a top wick. Oh, that's what I'm on about. Look at that 5 now. If this 5 closes like this, guys, I'm probably going to get in again. This will be my last trade on this, like, you little shit bag. You little shit. I love Forex, mate. It's great. Oh my god.
That is wild, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, this 5 close. It's took our advantage point now. Look at that. Wow. Wow. You little. It's like it knew where we were. It knew where we were, John. So the 30's still got no bottom wick. Can this 5 push up? Let's see if this 5 can push up. Okay, guys. I am in for another entry. This is my last trade of the day. I'm in again. Same position. Me stop is just the high, right? If this comes up now, it's really messing with us. And the sharks in the water. Yeah. My stops are there. I'm in. Same lot size as before. If we're wrong, we've got no advantage point now. We're basically going off that. If this one drives down, yeah, this is where it's going to go from now, because we've had that fake out and that liquidity grab from the upside. But if we come back up now, we're just fucking about, and I'm not interested. I'm done. Okay. So the 15's got no bottom wick, and look at the previous 15. We've 2 candles now. We're close respect in here. So can this 15 flip? 15. Got a bottom wick on this 15. 30's got no bottom wick. Could we get a sell stop underneath the 15 as well for second entry? So that was naughty, that, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Fucking naughty. And then we've closed respecting. You fuck. I love it. I love it. Love it. Okay, so yeah, I'm back in. Same lot size. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Back to my admin. Flip and drive down? That's the question. Here we go, it's the flip. Can we drive down now? We break the laws. Once I break the laws, I'll go risk free.
Chuckling at.
It's coming
Like,
back up.
as soon as once it breaks the lows, it's just changed. Come back up.
Yeah. I mean, we're still respecting this level here. 15. You have 2 candles now. Well, technically you had 4 candles all struggle to break above. Even when price was here, the 15 still closed respecting this level. So we might get a 50% wick fill. But I mean, if this 15 closes above, like we've got sharks in the water, and yeah, it's not for me.
I mean, we should be. We should be coming down soon.
Yeah, we should do.
Should be ripping it down. I mean, everything looks nice for it to come down. Do you know what I mean? Like, it all looks good down to the downside.
Come on, 15. What are you doing? Just eddy up and drop through the floor, will you? 1 hour.
Drop your knickers.
1 hour hasn't had a bottom width yet. Very surprised we popped that eye up though, guys. I won't lie. We only popped here on this. This one going to pick. Just 15. It's a good sign with the 15s though, because we're still respecting this zone here. This is quite a prominent 15, and the 15-minute time frame. Like I always say, I love the 15-minute. The 15-minute is the first candle what initiates a move.
Right, it's 20 to 11. It's about time you fucking flipped.
Flip, flip.
Go on, Dan, you tell it.
You tell it, Dan. But listen to you.
Fucking wants to. Otherwise, I'm going to be writing strongly worded emails to whoever I can.
Random
Whether
people.
BlackRock International.
Oh, I would tear them a new arsehole.
You'd finger them good, wouldn't you?
And would they care? Would they shit?
You'd just go straight in without any lube. Wouldn't even give them a chance.
What's lube? Sounds boring.
Tell you what, Pete, I found myself bossing the crew around the other night.
Did you?
I was, yeah, I was just like they were just kind of like wandering aimlessly, and I was just like, right, boys, we need to take this, we need to take that, we need to do this, we need to do that.
Yeah, boy.
We were just fucking, you're just slapping the other team around. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah,
Winning
boy.
bases and doing defenses and taking people out.
That's what we like, isn't it?
Yeah, it was all right up until the point that I bloody crashed my APC and couldn't capture a point, and then I got a bit bored, and I was like, because bloody Ryan came off, and then a few others came off, and I was like, boring, and then I just came off myself. So that's the problem with that game, is that I find it boring if I'm playing it on the own.
Yeah.
Playing it with people, I enjoy it. I was kind of missing you and Satchel though. Yeah, ironically, I kind of miss being bossed about
Yeah.
because I then don't have the responsibility of leading a team, you know. Then I got somebody else leading the team and telling me where they're going. I just find that much easier. Oh, John, go sit on that hill and give me Overwatch. Sure, mate. I'm happy to do that. I'll snipe some people for you. I'll go on pest control.
Well, it'll be a good game tonight. A good game tonight, mate. Copy text.
What we want from a 5. Come on, keep going. No fucking about. No pullbacks. Just fucking tank.
Is this it, Dan? Is this it?
Be a shark 5. You've got no nets. Can't look back. Come on. Let's go.
We might need a higher time frame to close or drive down. See if this 15 stays doji again. Fucking hell, I don't know what else to do. Like, he should be coming down. There we go. Here we go, guys. Here we go. Here we go. Once I break the laws, that's when I'll go risk free. Okay. Wow, it's just really messing about, isn't it?
Fucking around.
Really fluking around.
Yeah, normally, I mean, I think something that I notice is sometimes like it'll fuck around for a bit and then it'll just go, just out of nowhere.
Well, that's what
It'll just
we're
drop its knickers.
well, that's what we're expecting, aren't we? Off the
Yeah.
1 hour to drop. We can have one 1 hour candle really drive down. I mean, this wingback seller here was perfect, but I mean, look at our stops, guys. We got stopped by fucking like 2 pips. Do you know what I mean? So it's the trade's still valid technically because the 15's still respecting this level. Until you get 15 close above that, still valid. But when you get random pop like this, it's not what you can really do. So as long as this 15 stays bearish now, then we'll have some price action there. We'll have a evening star, which is a good sign to come down. I'm just thinking, take partial move to break even for me really would be here, this area. That's my take partial move to break even, really. So the trade will just get left until perhaps that level. So yeah, see if the next 15 can open up and just, if we get a bearish 15, we've got some price action, and the next 15 little top wick, and then start driving down. That would be lovely jubbly, wouldn't it, Dan?
It would be lovely jubbly.
Lovely jubbly.
And then maybe it's one day I might not have a sit down cry shower.
Pretty good for your ass then.
That's alright, I've got a little seat in there. Little comfy thing.
Have you?
Yeah. Waterproof memory foam.
Oh.
It's nice on the touche.
When I was posted to Cyprus, I was based in Cyprus, I had in the block there was 2 like disabled rooms, not because I'm disabled,
Yeah.
but they were a lot bigger than the other rooms, and I had a wet room, shower, and in there was a sit down, a seat in there as well. So it was just, my bathroom was massive, my bedroom was massive. And it was just nice having a shower, just sitting down, you know, just chilling in the shower. Great fun. Oh, look at this 15. What are you doing, 15?
Fucking shit.
Lift back up. Days broke out. Are we going to get that fake out like we said now? Really don't know. Let's see if we can get a 50. I'm going to keep this on, guys, at the moment.
Well, I'm still in that first one.
Oh, yeah? Oh, you didn't get stopped?
Yeah, my stops were higher.
Oh, fantastic. As I think what might happen here, we might need a 30 close at this level here. Look at this 30. I think we might need that 30 close and then the next 30 up and drives. So that's what I'm hoping. If the 30 closes above that, I will look to get out, right? So that's my cut-off. If the 30 closes above here, I'll look to get out. But we can close respecting this level, so it means the 15 actually stay bullish. Okay. Hopefully we get a fake out now. But we'll see. Yeah. Guys, I'll be back in a minute. I just need to speak to Emma for a minute. I'll keep on, stay on the stream. We're doing good. We're doing good. Getting there.
I bet you'll walk away now and it'll just fucking bomb it.
Well, I've shifted my stops down, so they're now above the high of the 15. So
How come you've shifted your stops?
just because I'm set.
Pissed off with the fact that it's just messing about.
Yeah.
Thing is, I think this trade is going to be an all-dayer, I reckon.
Oh, just. Well, I said it's just gonna take all of its fucking time, and then it'll just fucking shoot up in New York, stop out, and then fucking come down. Just fucking tank. Don't look back. This is what you need to do. So do it. Do it now.
Do it! Do it now!
Now.
Quickly!
I just need a decent fucking win. Just
Mate, I have been struggling with decent wins all week.
oh, it's frustrating because it's mentally so freaking hard.
You know how you feel, man. Like let's say the last couple of weeks I've been having win after win after win after win, and last week was dog shit. This week hasn't been that great. I think last week I bloody was down like 200 or something, and this
Yeah.
week I'm down another fucking 200 currently, or 300 actually, I think. So far,
Wait, I think it's
just haven't had a good couple of weeks, really.
yeah, it's the same. I mean, it's since I moved on to phase 2, I've just nothing is
Struggled.
going. Yeah, nothing's going the way that I. So 15 days it took us to pass phase 1. I think my biggest loss was about 140 quid,
Yeah.
and I'm down 3% on this one, and I only need to make 500 quid to pass.
Yeah. Trouble is though, mate, like that's just the way it goes sometimes.
Yeah.
Like you have your ups, you have your downs. Like so, it's the same with the days. Like you have your up days, you have your down days, and the same with the weeks. Like you have your up weeks and your down weeks. And it's breaking lows now. I'm gonna move. I am moving now. I'm gonna stop this. If I get knocked out of this, I get knocked out. It's fine.
I think if we can pump past 4, 2, 2, 2, I'll go to break even.
And this hour is it really wants to go, doesn't it?
It does, it's just fucking about.
I mean,
So
it
it
should
might
be.
be
It's
just
the thing.
green.
It should be going because it's broken the highs as well. You know, it should be off and away. Really.
Just wanting to fucking entice more people in. Come on, man. Little topic on the 5. Come on.
But then,
Yeah.
are you doing anything different in phase 2 now, or is it just
Nothing?
luck, or are you feeling anxious, or
Oh, 100% I'm feeling anxious.
more than you were? No, more than you were on phase 1.
I
Right?
don't think I was anxious on phase 1.
No.
It
No.
just, everything seemed to go exactly the way that I saw.
Right.
Whereas at the minute, it's not. It's what I was saying the other day as well. Is like, because I'm not trading Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Every
Yeah.
time I do, I lose because I'm not focused. I'm doing it off my phone,
Yes.
and I'm at work, so I
Yes.
don't have a lot of time to do it.
Yes.
So, and
Yeah,
I've made a couple of mistakes this time round on this second phase by trying to trade on my phone, and I think
Yeah.
that's because I'm
Yeah.
wanting to get it past.
Yeah.
So, like, and then when I'm not trading and I do have a couple of minutes, I'm looking and I'm marking things up, and they're playing out. So I'm thinking then, all right, well, it might be all right, just stick one on, and then when I do, I lose. So
It's funny because phase 1 you've got the 10%, so you're like, okay, that's that's not something you reach quickly, right?
yeah,
So you take your time, you do your thing, and then you get to phase 2. It's 5%. Oh, I can do that in 2 trades or something.
Yeah.
You know?
well, this is it.
Yeah.
I think I made like 450 in 2 trades on
Yeah.
phase 1, and it was just like, oh, spot on. And then it was just littler ones,
Yeah.
hundreds here, 80s, 50s here and there. But this one just, well,
Yeah.
it's just messing us around. I think the highest has been 150.
Yeah.
But then when the losses come in, is just, and it was from Friday when we had those massive outages. So I was in relatively the same boat. I'd woke up early, I was looking at things, and I'd stuck a sell stop under the daily. And I forgot about it. I was then in conversation with Pete and stuff like that, and then it all just went to shit, and I was like, well, hang on, I'm 100 quid down. How am I 100 quid?
Yeah.
So I've also messaged FTMO to say this is the situation. They passed it off to the back office or whatever for investigation, and then I got probably exactly the same email as you.
Yeah.
And that, to me, I was so angry. I was like, you could have just left out the last paragraph.
Yes.
It's given none.
Well, they could have just responded saying, oh, really sorry, but it was an outage. It's out of our hands.
Yeah.
This was the situation. Really sorry. And I would have been fine with that.
Yeah.
But the last paragraph was all about like low liquidity and
Yes.
and stuff like that, and how it was a like a bank holiday, Thanksgiving the day before and stuff like that. So you need to manage your risk better. And I was just like, well, hang on, you're just contradicting what you've just said about an outage, because
Exactly.
now you'd be putting the blame on me.
Yeah.
For not managing my risk. And it was like, well, hang on, how am I supposed to manage my risk when I don't know there's going to be things like outages?
Yeah.
And low liquidity doesn't mean that we're just going to bounce, you know,
Exactly.
400 pips either side of where we're currently sitting, where I can't manage it because none of your platforms are working. So it just, I think that threw us off loads. And then the big one was Monday morning. I woke up early and I couldn't be bothered to get out of bed, and I was like, I'll just do it on my phone. And it just went the opposite way. It was like, that's it. And because I was on my phone, I over leveraged. So that just set the ball rolling, and from there it's been losses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in a row. Losses. So totally threw my game off.
Yeah.
What? Like I say, I'm not massively down. This is the thing, you know, I'm only sort of 3.5% down currently, so it's redeemable. I just have to get out of whatever mindset I've created for myself.
Yeah.
And just take a step back. So trying to lower lot sizes and stuff like that, but then you know, even that win today, 15 quid.
Yeah.
It's still a win.
I guess it's starting to see the blues and not the reds anymore.
Yeah. That's it. It's you want to see bigger blues, bigger blues, and that's then another thing you've got to try and get over is if this is what you're doing, it's gonna take time. It's a limited phase.
Yeah.
I don't have to pass it in a week.
Exactly.
It could be 2 months' time. I'll pass it. Just
It takes you 2 or 3 months after past phase 1.
yeah.
You know, it's planned, and then you expect, I'm going to do a week in phase 2. You know, and then because you want to get to that funded account. And
That's
then
it.
you get that one, and then that's going to be another psychological issue you have to overcome.
Yeah.
That one.
So I mean, there's every chance that I'll not pass it, and I have to start getting comfortable with that.
Yeah.
So yeah, I know it'll come good. I'm just what I'm hoping at this stage is that I can at least pass the second phase.
Yeah.
Just get into right. Everything is live. Everything is making money.
Yeah.
At this point, and then I know I'm jumping over that wall. And if I fail, no bother. The next starting point is I'm standing on top of the wall. I'm not standing at the bottom of the other side.
Yeah.
So then the next bit is just step off that wall and move to the next wall.
Yep.
So, no, I'm not answering that. I should be pissed. I should bring that back. Right, it'll be 2 seconds, boys.
All right.
What is going on with this? What had happened? There's a 30
No,
close.
one of my old school teachers passed away.
Oh really? We broke the low again on the 15 there. I bet you thought that was the move, did you? Not bad. I think we need the 30 to close. Ideally, I want the 30 to close respecting this level. It's like it wants to come down. Oh God, the 15's going to close respecting again here. For that fake out. 40 seconds. Let's have a look.
Oh. We're still messing about.
Yeah, we got a fake on this 15. It's been lovely. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's what I'm talking about.
This is what we want to see. For a little pullback on that 15.
How's the 30 close? 30's closed bearish. Nice.
Pete, you probably haven't been knocked out of this trade, have you? Because you were
still-
away when it broke a low earlier.
Yeah, I'm still in.
Yeah, I got knocked out of it.
How did you get knocked out of it?
Well, because I moved to break even when it broke the low, because it broke the low earlier
Oh
when you were away.
shit, yeah. Oh shit, yeah. I did say that as well, didn't I? Sorry, mate. Oh, guys, this is going nicely. And we've no top wick on the 15.
That's the only. But then we could just look at a decent 5, close down, go top wick for the 5, and then drop
Yeah, we can easily.
rather than flip.
Yeah, we can easily pop down here, like. 1 hour's closed bearish.
It's not a huge issue. I'm still in on a trade anyway.
Yeah, I'm definitely gonna go risk free though, guys.
That's nice. Yeah, fuck it.
I'm gonna take some partial as well, 75% out. Oh, we're there. Oh, come on. Right, I'm definitely going to be taking some partial now, guys. I took $130 out. Nice. Okay, I'm risk free. And I'm going to set my TP up at 420. This was the trade we were after. Okay. You should be back in profit. 4206. 4206. Full TP. Yeah. Okay. Nice. Another win. 38. And then you get these on the trade ideas. And then Friday I'm gonna be skedaddling. Oh, I can't get them on the trade ideas yet, can I? Yeah, I can't get them. No. We could really plummet down here now, guys. Really plummet. Nice. What was this?
Yeah, I'm going to start trailing as soon as I hit that 4-hour lower.
Oops.
Probably fucking knock me out there, but I just don't know if it starts plummeting. You don't want to not be trailing it as it does it, you know. As you know what I mean, like.
Ooh, late up on the 5.
Yeah, I think you can still drive down though, Dan, even with that. Without.
Yeah.
I think we've messed about that much.
They'll come up and just wick and then drop. Just I'm at 50 quid profit now. Just fucking close it and be done. Be done. Ah! What to do? What to do?
Oh, okay, TikTok, I'm going to jump off. Thanks for joining if you're on. Much appreciated. Nice day, we're up. We've had 2 winning trades, 1 losing trade. So we lost 100, 180 on the first trade. So what are we up then? 80. We're up to over $200 still, which is nice. We took 100. No, that's wrong. That's wrong. I took 220 from the first trade, 68 pips up. Second trade, we lost 20 pips but lost $100. So that means $120 up still. Plus 130. That's $250 up for the day. Nice. I'm happy with that. Done. Let's get these on the logbook, and then I am going to call it a day. Biff, 12, 25.
Alright, come on. Little top wick for the 5. And then drop. And then I'll be happy. Come on.
Come on. 0900.
Come on.
Looking for those panties, aren't you, Dan?
I am.
Did Naz play out? Did that 1 hour Naz play out? Do we know? No, you don't even like that, do you? 15 profit. 2, 2, 2. Stop loss. What's
Come on.
pips. Next one was 5th, 12, 25. Risk was $2. This was the wing back sell. Wing back sell. Look.
Yeah, there's the top wick. Come on. Stop going up. Stop. You can come back down.
Trouble is, you don't want to be fucking getting out of the trades too early either, do you? You know?
And I've shifted my stops, so unless it drops now.
So what have you took a partial?
Nah, it's not worth the partial.
Okay. So, but you're risk free.
Yeah. So it'll not be any loss. It'll just be minimal profit.
Yeah.
But and if that's the case, then I should have just come out when it was 60 quid.
Yeah.
There's a knock on the door.
I got my stop at the 3-hour high and my fucking trailing point at the 4-hour low. As soon as it hits the 4-hour low, I'm going to start trailing on the 1 minute. Or maybe I'll take 90% out of it and just let the rest of it run.
I'd do a flip.
It's got a top wick now, which is nice.
Yeah. That's for the 15s in the hour. Come on.
weird. It's been a weird week, you know. But we're nicely. This month we're doing really good. We're up nearly 2% this month on stream.
I don't fucking know how. The problem is, I've fucking missed all your good trades. Most of your good trades, I bloody missed them.
I had one cork of a trade in December.
Yeah, that's I know, that's the one I fucking missed.
755. Beautiful. It was 3 entries on one. Perfect. Right, guys, I'm gonna love yous and leave yous. I hope this just carries on for you, Dan.
What?
I think you should do. All you're after now is a 1 hour close below this. But you've got 50 minutes here. I can really see this 1 hour really plummeting. I can, down to 4214. And if it's gonna happen, probably gonna happen maybe the next 30. That'll be the last 30 of the hour. Yeah. I think what you'll find is the next 30 will go.
Rose.
The next 30 is going to do something like that. Okay. Well, yeah, guys, fantastic stream. If I don't say so myself, really good. Loads of learning points, and the emotions as well. I mean, look at that there. I mean, we would have some really nice profit if that didn't happen. That was naughty. That was naughty to do that. But anyway, we re-entered, we got our money back, and we made some profit. Okay, guys, have a fantastic weekend. I'm not actually on Monday or Tuesday. Okay, remember, once a month I have Monday and Tuesday where I'm off. Okay, and it's going to be this Monday and Tuesday. So I'll be back on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then same again.
Who the hell approves that?
What?
Well, I didn't get the email.
I have put my holiday. I've put my leave pass in as well. Did you, Andre? Did you re-enter on this, or did you stay in? Did you re-enter on this?
I got stopped on the first one and I missed the second entry.
Oh, okay, no. Okay.
But I'm still in on the futures.
Ah,
Two different
nice.
futures as well.
Okay, cool.
I'm still in
cool.
there.
Yeah, that was naughty. That fucking.
Yeah, I had a bigger stop on the futures, so.
Oh, right. Okay.
And I was considering, should I? It seemed very tight. Should I make it bigger? But then, yeah, whatever. So that was.
Yeah.
That's how it is.
It is. That's how it goes. But yeah, lovely guys. We're doing really good on streams. Been fantastic. So far, up 1% September, October up over 3%, November just shy of we're 0.5% say, and December we're up 1% so far. Okay, you're starting to see a pattern between 1 and 3%. You are in the bracket of the top 1%. 1% of traders in the world. Okay, top 1% of traders in the world by just making between 1 and 3%, but making it every month. Okay, there might be a minus month in there, but still you can handle it. We had a minus month last time I streamed in February, and February had a minus month. So yeah, fantastic. Well done, everyone. I'm gonna love yous and leave yous. Have a great weekend, and I'll see yous on Wednesday. Toodaloo, everyone.
Have a good week.
See you later, guys.